How to make any photo fit as your wallpaper on any Samsung device. First of all, you need to select an image. If you don't have any, simply go to Pinterest and download any image. Now simply download image, tap on download image, and the image has been downloaded. Now let's see the image on gallery. Now this is the image that we downloaded on gallery. In order to save it as a wallpaper, simply tap on the image and tap on the vertical 3 dots. Now here you'll find the option set as wallpaper. Simply tap on that and select where do you want to set, either in lock screen, home screen, or on both, or on call background, or always on display. So let's try for home screen now. Now you can adjust your photos. For example, if you just want this part, you can just zoom in and adjust it. But if you just want the half part, you can either scroll it. Now in this way, if you don't want the image, then you can just scroll and go to this color part. And in this way, you can easily fit any image as your wallpaper. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, consider liking and subscribing to this channel.